My name is Mernosh and I head marketing and international business in Godrej Security Solutions. Today is the day when we have launched our range of home security cameras. That is the CU range of home CCTV cameras. These cameras are available right from 10,000 rupees to around 18,000 rupees. The cameras enable you to see what is happening in your house or what is happening to your loved ones or your valuables even while you are away. You can see that over the internet or your mobile phone. Not just that, you can store data as well and then you can view it later on your system. So this camera essentially gives the Indian consumer power in his or her hands. Apart from CU for the home segment, we've got a range of home safes. We have video door phones, we've got alarm systems. All these products are available right from around 4,000 rupees and they go up to around 18,000 rupees. The cameras are very easy to use. They have been specifically designed for the home segment. Like for instance, the home safe, you can buy home safes with a key, or they can be available with an electronic password or a swipe card, or for that matter biometric. The video door phones are also very easy to use, and the CCTV camera is also simple to use and install. It works on the IP technology, so you can actually view what is happening in your house on the internet. Everything happens on the IP technology itself. Not just that, you can store data as well, and the camera also has got the facility of sending you an SMS or an email in case there is something wrong that has happened in your house. Currently, these cameras work on electricity. However, we also have security systems which work on battery as well. There is a memory card which is inbuilt in the CCTV camera. So you can view later what has happened in your house. The memory card is upgradable. It can be right from 4 GB to 64 GB as well. As far as marketing is concerned, we are spending close to around 17 crores. Growth in our business has grown by around 25% on a year-to-year basis, and the home security segment has grown by around 50%. Thank you.